Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this thick fence supporter post. This is what the fence initially looked like. As you can see, it is leaning over quite a bit there. Basically, you just want to take the post and then hammer it in. It's super easy to go into the soil as long as you have moderately moist soil. And you want to make sure the holes that you will then drill the included bolts into are at the top part so that they can go into the 4x4 of the fence for maximum support. Next, you want to drill those included bolts to attach the support to the fence itself. You'll basically attach this to the 4x4 for maximum support. And overall, this just ensures that the fence does not sag at all and it stays straight up. Overall, this fence post is great. It is thicker than usual other fence posts. It also weighs a lot more, so this thing is a lot heavier duty. Additionally, it is well coated, so it's not going to rust at all. I really like how it's seamless design, so you don't need to assemble anything straight out of the box. You just go ahead and attach this and your fence will be supported for good. Taking a look here, you can see the final product of the fence. It's very straight now. Overall, I highly recommend this beautiful product.